Welcome to oxojob.com. To log in, choose oxojobSales from the Account Settings menu. oxojobSales is a tool that enables companies to find sales leads and to have an overview of the job market. You can do this by using the following searching methods. Searching by profession. Type the profession that you are looking for in the profession search box. Click on the search button. As you do this, a pop-up with suggested professions shows up. Click on the ones that are relevant and then click on Add Suggestions. Searching by location. Type one or more location names in the location area. As you type, suggestions will show up in a drop-down list. Choose one of the suggested locations from the list. The location will appear in blue in the search box and you can remove it anytime you want by clicking on this X. Click on Search if you have no other criteria to add. Searching by profession clusters. Choose the cluster search by clicking on Professions Group. Click on the cluster that interests you. Each cluster includes several subclusters. Select the ones that you are interested in by clicking on this checkbox next to the subcluster name. You can mark or unmark all subclusters simultaneously by clicking on this button, Check, Uncheck All. The search does not return anything unless you choose at least one subcluster. Searching by industry. Click on Industry in the search area and choose one or more industries by clicking on them. Then choose a sub-industry by clicking the checkboxes next to the sub-industry names. You can also search by typing a keyword or an SNI code in the search bar in order to narrow down the list. Searching by hiring company. Here you can search by name or by organization number. When you search by company name, type the name of the company and click on Add. If the company exists in the Oxojob database, it will show up in the box below with all sister or mother companies. If you know the organization number from alabolag.se or elsewhere, type it in and click on Add. The number that appears next to the searched company is clickable and shows the total number of companies associated to the company name you typed. Searching by recruitment company. The search process is identical to the hiring company search. Make sure that you do not type a hiring company in this field. The system will not recognize it. Searching by job source. Type in the name of the source and select one from the drop-down list that shows up. Click on the search button and then check the channels where the jobs have been posted. Searching by recruitment software. Type the name of the recruitment software and choose it from the drop-down list that shows up. Click on Search and check the recruitment software at the end of each job ad. Save your searches. Click on Save once you are happy with a search. Don't forget to type in a name and click on Save again. To view your saved job lists, go to My Searches. When you save the search, you can receive emails with the new jobs that appear on your lists. You can decide in your account settings if you want to receive the emails every day or more seldom. The email includes the total number of new jobs for each list that you saved. However, you can see maximum 4 jobs in the email body for length reasons. When you click on a job, you are automatically redirected to it. Sort and filter options. When you have done a search and you are happy with it, you can sort and filter to slice the information. You can filter the ads to view the ones without a recruitment company, the ones published by a recruitment company only, or both. You can filter by public or private companies. You can filter by publishing period and you can choose to see only the active jobs. When you have a filter, this button becomes red. Don't forget to remove the filters at your next search. You can sort jobs by their publish date, application date, hiring company, staffing company, or job title. The Locations button shows the top 15 locations where the jobs with your search criteria can be found. How to read the numbers that appear in the job listing next to the companies or contact names. As you can see here, there are some numbers after each contact name. The first one shows how many jobs with your search criteria this person posted out of his total posted jobs, which is the second number. If you put the mouse over the numbers without clicking it, you can read the explanation right on spot. As for the numbers located after the company name, the first one is the number of jobs posted for your search criteria, and the second one shows the total number of jobs posted by this company, irrespective of profession, location, and other criteria. This phone icon allows you to put a status for the job from a sales view. If you click it, you can choose one of the options. Establish contact with. You have to choose a name from the list. The option to mark the job as already processed, and you can also leave a comment so that your colleagues can see the sales status of that job. These numbers are clickable. You can open the job list behind them in separate tabs. The hiring company view. One of the most important features is the ability to see statistics and reports on your search, not just job lists. To see the statistics based on your search criteria, click on Job List and select Hiring Company Report in the drop-down. The overview page will open by default, revealing a frequency report by job ads and openings for the search criteria, but also in general for the hiring companies who posted those jobs. The numbers correspond to different periods, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and so on. To read what each column means, go with the mouse over the information icon next to each label in the table head. You can view the reports by staffing companies. A new table will appear where you can see the number of recruitment companies with whom the hiring companies are working with in order to recruit the search profession. If you put several recruitment companies in the search area, they will appear as separate columns in this table, so you will be able to see and compare the data for different recruitment companies. You can view the statistics of your search by regions, clicking on Regions. If you choose the Credit Safe tab, you can also view some background information about the hiring companies, such as turnover, size, and so on. You can choose the columns of the report by checking or unchecking what you need and then save. You can send by email some of the reports. Select what reports you need and click on Send Email. You will receive shortly the reports with the top 20 records in each table. Thank you for watching.